Alright, hello everyone, XxKiwiliciousX here, and we're about to go with another Jectile episode. That guy's being a little strange. Oh, did anyone else see that? 3,032 FPS. Let me check mine. Woo! 29 FPS! It's amazing. Don't be making fun of other people's skins. It's rude. No. I hate that so much. Don't do it! Oh god. Someone be advertising. No way. Nobody's gonna join this channel.
Surprise, Epic's here.
Oh no. Who could that be?
Surprise, it's Epic.
Love it when like random people join the call the video. It's kind of strange, but it happens. Before. Hello. It's him again. Alright, back to what I was saying. Oh, it is. Okay. Oh my gosh, someone joined. It's creepy. Okay. Let's try.
Yeah, they were on that center one because there was nothing on that center there.
I'll try MP5. Why not? Look. Oh, I think I saw him. It's just this red war. Saw. That one, 8 kill streak. That's it. Enough memory. More spaghetti. Wait, what? Shh. I'm a tree. Nobody suspects a thing, you know? You see, I got a green leather tunic, so I am considered a tree. I'm getting bored of being this tree. I head out. I am no longer a tree. We win this, I'm gonna be so sad. Oh! Look how close that was. You killed my brother. Prepare to die. Oh wow, that triple kill though. Nice. Alright, well I'm gonna end this episode of Jectile Funny Moments here. I'm XxKiwiliciousxX and have a nice day.